With the cloud-enabled version, you simply load the client software on a PC, log in with the information we provide to you, and you're ready to go. Your database lives in the cloud on a server that's maintained and backed up by Microsoft. When you become a new customer, we create a special user account called User Admin. By logging in as the user admin, you can easily create new usernames for the members of your staff and decide which permissions each username should have. It's literally as easy as doing this. Another big change in version 6.5 is that you can now offer your clients the ability to track their own patents and trademarks online. For an additional monthly fee, you can subscribe to our online application called IP Tracker. Once again, there's nothing you have to set up, so there are no IT hassles and no need to hire a web programmer. Your clients simply enter the name of your firm, plus a company login and password that you create in the Riva Trademark software. Once they're logged in, they can go to a list of their patents or a list of their trademarks. The lists can be filtered by using these drop-downs. By selecting a trademark or patent record, your clients can view the general information plus a list of important dates. You decide which date should appear online by choosing this option in the Riva Trademark software. For example, you probably don't want your clients to see dates that are internal reminders for the attorneys on your staff. If you link a graphic to a patent or trademark record, that graphic will automatically show up here in the online application. You can also choose which position should appear as the online contact. Here in the Riva Trademark software, we've selected the position of responsible attorney as the online contact. So for trademark and patent records where Sally Wallabaster is the responsible attorney, her contact information will automatically appear online. If your client has a question about the trademark or patent, she can simply click this link, and Outlook will open a new email that's already populated with the email address of the responsible attorney, and with key information about the patent or trademark in the subject line. We hope you enjoy using the new cloud-enabled version of Riva Trademark.